We're gonna start with this little bit of furniture left over from yesterday that we had to strip because the yard didn't want it with all the plastic attached. So let's see what we find tonight. Well, found a chair. I guess that's a start. And we got ourselves a barbecue. So let's get that on the trailer and see what we find next. We need to stop for a second to grab a barbecue. We get that strapped in, and lady gave us a few other donations. We got a couple of cords. Got a little propane cooker. Brother's gonna grab that. Anything in the box? Oh, look at that. Nice aluminum pots. All right, I guess I'm gonna come grab that cooker. That's a nice little score. All this aluminum. Yeah, that's decent. Nothing good in the dumpster, eh?
I was curious.
All right, let's see what other treasures await. Oh, what do we have here? This looks metal. But I would be wrong. Well, kind of, sort of, not really. See, the bars on here are metal, but the end pieces are not. It's in there. Found something that looked like a lawnmower. It's not a lawnmower. It's like a tiller, maybe. I don't know. Either way, though, it's going to make for some okay scrap. Oh, it's a power washer. Interesting. Never seen a gas-powered power washer. All right, well, throw it on. Spotted this as we were cruising by, and it looked metalish. Oh, that's very heavy metal. Not so much. Yeah. This. Imagine it's steel. I have to check it with a magnet, but it looks just painted gold, painted brass. Yep. It's in there. Surprising that this little cabinet that looked like wood at a glance is actually steel. Alright, nice little find. A few little light fixtures, a little bit of tin. Sure, why not? And we're off. Oh, yeah, that's a nice little stash of 5 chairs. We're gonna cut the fabric off of that and load them up. Loaded those on there. They're actually aluminum chairs, so that's something. Oh, look at this. We got ourselves a bike and a scooter, and I think that's about it. Let's get her on there. All right. Look at that, nice little table base with no glass, no nothing. I'll take that. Let's see, where are we gonna put it? Walk around to this side. There we go. That's not going anywhere. It's in there. Load's starting to come together. All right, let's see what we find next. We found ourselves a nice little metal pop-up tent thing. So I'm gonna throw it on. Some sort of little metal stand. We'll take it. Where to put it? It's on there. Well, it's not much, but we'll add it to the load. It's in there. Is there anything here?
Oh, yeah.
There's some metal in this little box. It was hiding on us, but we found it. Let's grab a handful. Try not to cut ourselves. I haven't got my monthly tetanus shot yet, so I really don't want to get cut.
That came out of a big barbecue.
Yeah, they're definitely old rusty barbecue parts. Added to the load. So we're back, and this is our load for tonight. Looks a little better than last night. We'll have to wait till the morning to find out. We did all right yesterday with about $100 load. Is this $100? I don't know. What do you think? We'll find out in the morning. I'll give you the update here in just a second. Okay, so the trailer is empty. We saved our aluminum. There's the pots there and chairs stacked over by the fence. Saved that up. And our grand total was 480 pounds. Still at $350 per ton, or 17.5 cents per pound, was a grand total of $84. So not too bad, not that great, but not too bad. All right, catch you in the next one.